Everybody, and welcome back to the Atari Guy. And we're in a new studio, and so what does it mean? It means we gotta set it up. So as this video goes on, things will be moving around and changing, and then we'll have the final studio all complete. And so I have a computer over here set up, and then I have some games and other stuff on these shelves back here. And then right here, I have a scanner that's not yet set up. And that was the scanner we did in the one video. And then right over here, I have a soldering station. And then coming soon, there will be a typewriter over here, I think. And then right back here is what this video is about. And what the next couple of videos will be about. This is mostly about setting up the studio. But the biggest part of setting it up is what's going right here. And that is a Commodore 64. And so I have one back over there hiding for the Commodore 64, but I have a new Commodore 64 that's going to be going right here. And so the first part of that is the monitor. And the monitor requires some cleaning. It's been sitting in the garage for a while, but it's going to be going right here, right in this empty spot with the Commodore 64, plus the disk drives, and so it's going to be a whole setup right here. And so first, the monitor needs to be clean, and so let's take a look at that. Alright, so the monitor is set up. Now with the Commodore 64, there's a common issue with the power plug. The power plug will just send too much power and fry the machine. So, to fix that, I bought a new power supply off of eBay. And so this is just from eBay. It's from Poland. And so it's a pretty nice little plug. And that'll be plugged into the Commodore. As well as that, now even though I've got two floppy drives, I also have this, which is a floppy emulator that uses SD cards. And this is from Germany. So both of the products are from Europe. And so this will plug into the user port for power and then plugs into the disk drive to load the data. And so the next part is setting up the Commodore, which is I'm not going to take a look at. And so the final thing you'll see is this all set up. And so I'm going to set it up and then we'll be back. All right, so I was able to get a whole bunch of stuff put on. Right now, nothing is plugged in, of course. But over here is a typewriter, working electric typewriter. Over here are the two Commodore disk drives. Commodore is right here, and the monitor is right here. And it's actually a TV, but monitor, whatever. And then up here, I put up the soldering station. So at least it's somewhere. It might go over there. But then there's also a printer for the Commodore, which I have to figure out how to get it working, and then where to put it, of course, here. And then over here is the scanner, which is also not plugged in yet, but that will go into the computer down here. So that's how it is right now, and there will be more coming soon. I don't know if this video is gonna end now or if I'm gonna continue working on it here. So I should also mention, ignore the stuff there that's going, but there's also computer stuff there I have put away, and then there's an electric organ right here, a chair over here, that's going. And if I show you everything in perspective, here's the typewriter, and then the Commodore, the monitor, and then the computer stuff. And then here's the SD card stuff, and then this is just extra stuff from setting up the soldering station up there. But then right down here is the filing cabinet, whatever, and then the organ here.